Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can check what is your smartphone model. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Right now just scroll down and you have to find this section about phone. In the most Android smartphones you will get this function at the bottom of this list. So let's enter, and when we enter here we got the name of our smartphone. There's the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and here we got also the model number. And when we input this model number to our browser, we'll get also the name of our smartphone. So let's do this. Click go, and as you can see the browser shows us that we have Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphones. So that's how you can check what is your smartphone, what is your currently model of the smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.